You know what's really cool, guys? You know what's really cool? There's been a shift. There's been a shift that's happening right now when it comes to the word universal basic income is starting to become on our lips. The word tariffs, the word of removal of income tax is now starting to circulate the atmosphere of our planet. I wonder what that means. Trump becoming elected, universal basic income, which was in a book there. We've got the AI happening right now. We've got robots happening right now. We're starting to talk about having tariffs and so on and so forth to remove income tax from America. Because we already know there's no income tax in like Puerto Rico, I think Dubai, and in other places, right? There's already these no income tax places that are booming. So, my question for you guys is that when it comes to this no income tax thing, what do you guys see actually happening? What I see happening, and I'd like to get your opinion on this, bit of a dialogue here. What I see happening is there's a complete and utter shift that's going on right now. I really do see it's not a coincidence that this is actually starting to happen. Universal basic income has been on the lips of many people. The whole thing about and now we're having the AI robots to do a lot of the work for us. And now suddenly, out of all this time, now the whole thing about what can we do to remove the tax income, I wonder if we're going back in time now to where it was 100 years ago, where there was no income tax. I wonder if we're going to go back in time now where there may be some tax, but it's for those who maybe make more than $500,000 a year. I wonder if we're going to go back to that time. Either way, I think the future is great, guys. I think the future is amazing because, just knowing how to trade these markets really well and really understand these markets really well and be able to have that is just incredible. If you do need some help, guys, there's a link in the description. You can get access to my coaching program. And when it comes to my actual personal coaching, my personal trading, if you'd like to see my equity curve, just go to getjohnshelp.com. There should be a link in the description there, and I can show you my equity curve. But the whole thing about this whole video here is there's get a bit of dialogue here. I think the future is amazing. I think there's so much amazingness, and I think the future is really, really, really bright. I think there's so many amazing things that's coming in our future, and there may be some recessions and all that sort of stuff that's coming to play. Now, by the way, in the recession that's coming, and maybe when that whole big debt default happens, maybe in the late 30s, there's going to be so many amazing opportunities. But anyway, I just think, guys, that isn't it amazing? The shift has already started to take place of going back in time, and I believe very, 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 very soon, there's going to come up with a solution with deregulating government, right? Tariffs, the AI, the robots, all that sort of stuff. Maybe, just maybe, there's going to be a complete removal of income tax, hopefully worldwide, right? Even here in Australia, I hope so, but we'll see about that. But it's just really interesting to see that this is it, because as we know, one of the biggest things is tax, right? Like I spend so much money in tax all the time. It's crazy how much money I spend on tax. But it's just one of those things to do business. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think about this conversation below.